Okay, I'm going to give some scan instructions so that you can scan your evaluation from your mentor teacher. Okay, this is the document that's going to be scanned, and so I'm going to show you how to do this. First thing you need to do is go down to the bottom, go to All Programs, then go up and look for the Accessories folder. Click on the Accessories folder, and somewhere in here you should find what's called Paint. Go ahead and click on Paint. First thing you do is then you go up here to the part about Paint, or File, where File would be, and you look for something that says From Camera or Scanner. So if you're hooked up to Scanner either at home or at the university, you go here and click on this. First thing I'm going to do is I want to do a preview, and also I want to choose, I have a choice here of different kinds of pictures. And I have a choice of color, grayscale, black and white, custom settings. I want to do custom settings, or even better than custom settings, I want to adjust the quality of the scanned picture. And I want to make sure that my resolution, DPI, is 100. If you go over 100, it's more than you need. If you go under 100, it might be less than you need. And that's the best, is I find for documents, is resolution DPI of 100. It also gives you fairly small file sizes. Picture type, make sure you select grayscale picture. Black and white might be okay, but grayscale color will make the document too large. Now I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click on Preview. Okay, it shows my document in the preview scan. It looks like it self-adjusted, but I could move these around in order to make sure that the full document is being scanned. Now I've seen my preview. Looks like it's going to turn out okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Scan button. You will probably have to wait longer for the preview and for the scan than I waited here, because I went ahead and have edited some of the slower moments out. And you see it looks like that my picture looks just fine. My scan looks fine. Now I need to save it. And you can save it and go up here to the file area and do Save As. And you have several options, and I always prefer JPEG. And you want to do JPEG or GIF, or you can also do PDF if you want to. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just click on the Save As here, and we're going to look at other options. There's the PNG, which is the default, and you don't want that. It'll come out too big. You don't want bitmap, it'll come out too big. JPEG is just fine. And so that's what we're going to do, is JPEG. That's the most common for pictures that you're going to have on the internet. GIF is fine, and oftentimes the GIFs are animations that you see on the internet. So JPEG is what we're going to choose. I'm going to name it Anderson Braun-Scan 1. And you change the file name to whatever is required of that particular assignment. It might be Scan 2, Scan 3, Scan 4. It might be something else, whatever it says in the instruction. Now I'm going to save. Now it's on the desktop, or it's on my USB drive. It's somewhere where I'll be able to find it. Now if I want to make sure how I did, I can try Save As again. I can go back to the desktop here, and I can look for Scan. I hold it over there, and it says it's 258 KB, which is exactly in the range I want, because I want these to be under 500 KB. So this looks like it's going to be just fine. Now I'm ready to upload it to the Dropbox.